Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Okay student, today we are going to do the lesson of English is circle the beginning sound. Here you can see some pictures are given and under each picture some alphabets are written. What we are going to do that we are going to recognize this picture and then we will circle the correct beginning sound of that picture, okay? The question is circle the correct beginning sounds. Now come to the first picture. What is this? Yes, an apple. Now, what letters we have? A, K, H. So, apple starts from A. A, apple. We will circle it like this. Now, come to the next picture. What is this? Leaf. So, the letters we have L, N, A. So, the leaf starts from L. Okay? Now come to the next picture. What is this? Yes, rose. The letters we have A, B, R. So the rose starts from R. Okay, students? Then come to the next picture. This is peacock. Very good. So the letters we have D, F, P. So the peacock starts from P. P, peacock. The next is wheelbarrow. Okay, students? Wheelbarrow is a type of a small car that is used to carry the heavy loads in building work or in use for some gardening. Okay? The letters we have A, V, K. So wheelbarrow starts from V. The next is, what is this? Snowman. Very good. The letters we have R, G, S. The beginning sound is S. Very good. Snowman. The next picture is fish. What is this? Fish. Okay, the letters we have F, B, D. So fish is F, fish. Very good. What is the next picture? Very good. This is a cat. So the letters we have M, J, K. So K, cat. Very good. Now the last picture. What is this, student? Very good. Turtle. The letters we have H, E, T. So turtle starts from T. T, turtle. Okay, students? Now here you have an assignment that you are going to circle the beginning sound of these given pictures. Okay? Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.